Need to put in a maintenance request? No need to stress. It's quick and easy. All you need is a phone or a laptop. Let me walk you through it. Head to kent.edu/ufm/ready-work-request. Click Initiate Request and make sure to log in using single sign-on with your university credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a list of request types. Take a look to read through and choose the one that best fits your issue. Some of the most common issues reported are under the following categories: room comfort, furniture repair or assembly, plumbing, leaks or flooding, pest control, and general maintenance. One quick note about pest control. They're on campus every Tuesday and Thursday. If you need something sooner, get in contact with your resident hall director. My issue is with my thermostat, so I'm choosing room comfort. First, enter your contact info. Make sure your phone number is accurate, as our maintenance might call if they need more information. Now, the location. Double check your building, floor, and room number. Mistyped room numbers lead to delays, or someone getting a surprise knock they weren't expecting. Then, describe the issue. You don't need to write a novel. Just give enough information to let the team know what to expect before they get there. Here's what I'm writing. My room stays cold no matter what I set the thermostat to. I've had it at 74, even tried bumping it up to 85, and still it feels like it's in the 50s. This started about 24 hours ago. If you can, upload a photo. Visuals help the team know what to expect before they even get there. Next is a super important question. Can maintenance enter when you're not in the room? Choose one. Yes, go ahead and enter, or no, wait 24 hours before entering. This is important because if you choose wait, maintenance will wait a full day after you submit the request to enter. Once that question is answered, all that's left to do is hit submit. Your request goes through instantly. You'll get email updates along the way, and you can check the status anytime on the ReadyWorks page on the Process tab. Keep in mind, requests are prioritized based on urgency and how many requests are already in the system. So hang tight, they will get to you. The only thing that you can do to ensure everything is handled as fast as possible is prepare our maintenance team with all the information they need before showing up by including details in your request. Once your request is complete, you'll get a confirmation email. And if you run into any issues or have any questions, call University's Facilities Management at 330-672-2345. Now you know how to submit a maintenance request through ReadyWork. See you around campus flashes.